Hey, what's up everybody? Kaybe here, and I'm about to show you how to make this slightly spicy jasmine rice. All right, first you're gonna need about 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 to 2 teaspoons of adobo, 1 to 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, no more than 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of rice. If you're using scoops, then 2.5 scoops. Make sure you wash your rice 4 to 5 times. Get out the excess starch out of the rice. After you've done so, I like to use filtered water or room temperature water, 2.5 cups. Then start applying the seasoning, the ginger, and the adobo, seasoning. Then put in the garlic. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, no more than that. Remember that you already have garlic in there. Garlic already has a salt content. We're also gonna add butter, no more than maybe 1.5 inches worth of butter if you're using butter. Some people might want to use olive oil instead. Butter up the rim a little bit so that the sides get butter so it doesn't get dried up and burnt. And then we're gonna let it cook for maybe 50 minutes. It should cook for about 20 something minutes and then let it cool down for 10 minutes. Your rice cooker naturally does that automatically anyway, but the total should be around 50 minutes, and then open it, give it a little quick scoop up, take up the edges a little bit so that it doesn't stay to the side for too long, and then let it cool down for 10 minutes. After that, your rice should be ready. Now let's take a look. Now here we go. Nice and fluffy. Again, keep in mind, depending on how much water you add to it may determine how fluffy it is or how mushy it is. Some people love it moist, some like it really dry. Bon appetit. Thank you.